Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, this video is only to show you guys, it's a special request actually from a subscriber. She wanted me to do a detailed video of how I close a quick weave. So here we go. I'm going to look for her name so I can put it in at the end of the video, but yeah, it's basically a watch and learn. I'm gonna like try to explain as I go through, but as I go up, I always start my tracks in the front. Let's just say that. I said that in the last video where I have the whole video of this, but I always, whenever I'm starting a new track, I start it in the front. And that's just a technique I chose to use because if a track ended and I continued in the spot where it ended, like probably the back, the closure would come out in a different spot. So what I've noticed is that whenever I start my track in the front, it always comes out exactly where I want it. And that's the technique that I've been following the whole time. And also, I don't like finishing a track when I get to the very top. I like to add another track and work with at least two tracks. Sometimes I work with three tracks as I'm going around to close because I don't want the circle to end, if that makes sense. I just need a continuous circle until I get all the way up to the top. So I like to use 2 to 3 pieces at the top, and I glue it really close. I try to let the glue get tacky because I don't want it to spread. So that's another technique I use. A lot of people might say that I use a lot of glue, but it's not because the client is usually like papered down a lot and then a stocking cap, sometimes even two stocking caps. So the glue that you see me using is not a lot at all. These units, quick weaves, actually comes off when it's time to come off as a wig. So the tissue under it is very good. So what I just keep doing is just keep going around. But before I go on, if you're new to my channel, my name's Alicia Handles It. And what I do here is how-tos, tutorials, sometimes unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit that subscribe button. Join my squad and I will love on you over here. And if you made it this far in the video, just hit that like button for me right now, please. It will get me out there in the algorithms, guys. Now, so, and I want to say what's up to all my day ones, twos, threes, everyone that's all the handlers, and welcome to all the new handlers. So just watch from here, and as I get closer to the top, I'll come back and explain. But you guys see those strings and stuff. We get rid of all of that before we actually finish the style. But if you guys want to see the finished style to this, I have about, I want to say about 2 or 3 videos up of this, basically, that you can watch step by step, each video. But I added this closing part to to one of the videos. So I'm actually just posting it on its own for the subscriber. So, I mean, visual learning is probably #1 in my book. So guys, just keep watching from here, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. And if it's too long or in depth, I have membership for $5 a month that you can join, and you can ask me any question from any videos. I'll give shout outs to you and stuff like that. Yeah, so keep watching, and I'll be back at closer to the end or down in the middle or whatever. But I hope you guys are enjoying y'all April month so far. Easter is coming up, so I have a surprise coming up for you guys. Not a surprise, something that I've been telling you guys that I've been wanting to do for you guys. So that's gonna be in the next video after this. So look out for that. Make sure your notifications are on. So every time I post a video, you will be notified. And I'll be back. Like I said, enough talking. So I hope this video was very informative for you. If you have any questions, like I said, just leave it in the comment section. I will handle it for you. I always say I can show you better than I can tell you. So I hope you grab what you can and add it to your own technique. Guys, thanks for all the love. Can you believe it? We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. So guys, just share the video. Make sure you're subscribed. And I love you all. Thank you guys. See you all in the next video. Mwah.